Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? Nice to meet you again in our class. In our meeting this day, we are going to learn about how much. One of them, the function of how much, is asking about the price. Okay, student, please listen the sentence about how much. Listen some sentence. How much is this book? It is 2,500 rupiahs. How much is the ticket? It is 35 rupiahs. How much is that bag? It is 95,000 rupiahs. How much are these 3 CDs? They are 45,000 rupiahs. Okay, listen the conversation about the using of how much. Can I help you? How much is this book? It's 25,000 rupiahs. And then listen some conversation about the using of how much. Excuse me, how much are these 2 CDs? There are 40,000 rupiahs. Okay, I will take them, please. This comic is good for you. How much? Only 10,000 rupiahs. Okay, I will take it too. Okay, student, I think our material this day is very easy. It's about how much. How much is asking about price. Now, your task, please do the workbook page 36. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.